Welcome back to our channel Jayanti's Academy of Commerce and Management. In today's video, we are going to learn about final accounts without adjustments in financial accounting. Our learning objectives are final accounts without adjustments, problem with its solution. If you are seeing this video for very first time, I would like to recommend that final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, separate videos individually from introduction part has been uploaded in our channel. Please do watch it, and I am providing the link in the I section as well as in the description box. Please do watch it. Now let's begin with the session final accounts. So, final accounts are categorized in three sections, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Therefore, in this video, we are going to do final accounts, all these three, combination of all these three final accounts. Now, let's see the question. From the following trial balance, prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. They have given you trial balance, okay, and only one adjustment, which is closing stock. The worth is 2600. Now you need to go through this trial balance and identify the transaction. You need to identify whether which item belongs to trading account or P&L account or balance sheet, okay. Now let's see. Look into the trial balance. Please take a screenshot or write this question in your book for clear understanding. Let's start. Debtors 16,300 is given, which is an asset. Okay. Cash asset, furniture asset, purchases, it is trading account. Okay. Sales returns, trading account, opening stock, trading account, rent and rates, P&L account, insurance, P&L account, wages, trading account, carriage, trading account, discount, P&L account, oil and fuel, trading account, drawings, balance sheet liability, carriage outwards, P&L account, stationery, P&L account, capital, balance sheet liability, sales, trading account, purchase returns, trading account, and creditors are also balance sheet liability. Okay, so these are the items which are recognized. Therefore, you might get it out how to recognize all these items. Okay, remember one thing, trading account is prepared according to factory related incomes and expenses. Okay, factory related, where P&L account is related to office and administrative related incomes and expenses. We follow nominal account rule, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Therefore, on the debit side we write all expenses and losses, and on the credit side we write all incomes and gains. To know better about the content, please do watch a previous video which is related to separate trading account, separate P&L account and separate balance sheet. I will provide the link in the description box. Please do watch it. Okay. Now let's begin with the solution part. In the next clip I have mentioned all items related to trading account. Let's see that. Therefore, have separately mentioned all trading items: purchases, sales returns, opening stock, wages, carriage, oil and fuel, sales, purchase returns and closing stock. Okay, these are the items related to trading account. Now let's find out a gross profit by preparing trading account. Okay, so I'll also explain the meaning of gross profit at the end of preparation of trading account. Let's see the solution. Draw the pro forma particulars amount, mention debit, credit at the extreme corners. Please write the heading trading and P&L account of XXX Company Limited for the year ending 31st March that particular year. Okay, so you need to write for the year ending, that is very compulsory. Okay. And remember one thing, trading account and P&L account are prepared in one single page. Okay, now let's see. We'll start the solution by writing opening stock. So on the debit side we mention all two items, and on the credit side we need to mention all buy items. Okay, so to opening stock we have 2000. See the question, enter all the items into our trading account. Okay, so we'll start with to opening stock 2000. Next, to purchases 3500 inner column because we have purchase returns. Okay, when purchase returns are given, you need to deduct 500. 3500 minus 500, outer column 3000. Next we have wages. It is an expense we pay to the labor, so we are writing on the expense side. To wages 800. Next we have to carriage 500, to oil and fuel 550 rupees. And we left over with sales. By sales 9000 inner column minus sales returns 300 inner column. Now after deducting outer column, the worth is 8700. And in the adjustments, only we have a single adjustment, that is closing stock. Always remember, closing stock will be written in the adjustments. So see that and write by closing stock at the credit side of trading account 2600. Okay, these are the items which relates with factory, relates incomes and expenses. Incomes on the credit side, expenses on the debit side. Now let's see the working notes how to calculate gross profit. Here have clearly mentioned the totals of debit and credit. We have the debit total of 6850 rupees and the credit total of 11300 rupees. So find out the higher value and lower value. So here we have higher value credit side, that is income side 11300, and a lower value that is on the debit side which is called as expenses, that is 6850 rupees. Now what you need to do? You need to do higher value both the sides. You need to write the higher value both the sides and do higher value minus lower value. Okay, after deducting higher value and lower value, you will find out gross profit. Therefore that higher value which I asked you to write at the both the sides, write in the balancing figure in the two parallel lines. Okay, 11,300 on debit side as well as credit side, and write the balance, that is gross profit on the debit side to gross profit 4450 rupees. Okay, which is highlighted on the screen. I hope you all understood it. Now on the debit side, write down transfer to P&L account. This gross profit you need to transfer to P&L account. Okay, so now we are transferring from to, it will become by. Okay, this to gross profit, now you need to write by gross profit 4450 rupees, and therefore you need to write transferred from trading account. Till here gross profit calculation is done, trading account is completed. Now let's understand the meaning of gross profit. Gross profit means profit on sales. Okay, before deducting all expenses. All expenses in the sense P&L expenses also. Remember one thing, gross profit means profit on sales. Now let's check out P&L items. Okay, rent rates, insurance, discount, carriage outward, stationery. These are the items which relates to P&L account from the trial balance, given trial balance. These are the items. Okay, now let's find out net profit by preparing profit and loss account. Therefore, as you see on the screen, we have transferred to gross profit to by gross profit from trading account to P&L account. Now let's write all office related incomes and expenses in the P&L account. Here we have only expenses, we don't have any income in P&L account. Therefore fill all the details into this. To rent rate 750, to insurance 350, to discount 650, to carriage outwards 300, to stationery 600. Okay, now let's calculate the working notes. Do the debit total and credit total. Debit total we got 2650 rupees, where credit total is a single amount. Okay, 4450 rupees. Now compare the higher value and lower value. Higher is 4450 and lower is 2650. Means incomes are more, expenses are less. Therefore you will get profit only. So please write higher value both the sides. Do the calculation of higher minus lower. 4450 minus 2650. Then you will get the net profit of 1800 rupees. Therefore, now you need to write higher value both the sides in the two parallel boxes, which is called as balancing figure, and write to net profit on the debit side 1800. Okay, with this we completed preparation of trading and P&L account. Now let's see the entire trading and P&L account answer. Please take a screenshot or write in your notes. Pause your video and write in your notes or take a screenshot. Now let's check out balance sheet items. We have capital, drawing, creditors, cash, closing stock, furniture, debtors. You need to understand which is liability and which is asset. Okay, capital, liability; drawing, liability; creditors, liability; cash, asset; closing stock, asset; furniture, asset; and debtors also assets. Now let's prepare balance sheet, liabilities and assets. Pro forma. Therefore, draw the pro forma liabilities amount, assets amount, and write the heading balance sheet of XXX Company Limited as on 31st March 2020 or that particular year which is mentioned in the question. Okay, so for trading and P&L account you will write for the year ending as the heading, but in the balance sheet you need to write as on and the date. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's see our liability items. You need to take capital first. Okay, now consider capital first, 40,000 inner column, and add net profit from the P&L account. Okay, so you got 1800, you need to add. For example, if you're getting net loss, then what you should do? You should deduct. Okay, I hope it is clear with you. And after calculating capital plus net profit, you need to find out whether drawings are given or not. If it is given, please deduct it. Okay, why we should deduct it? Because we follow business entity concept. According to that concept, business and owner are treated as two different people. When business owner is withdrawing his investment from the business for his personal use, then it should get deducted. Again, he is liable to pay back. That's why we are writing in the liability side. Therefore, minus drawings 2900, calculate the worth and you will find out 38,900 as a total. Okay, so again we have last item in liabilities, creditors 2,500. Now let's go to assets column. We have cash 12,500, debtors 16,300, furniture 10,000 and closing stock 2,600. We have finished all the items. Okay, writing part. This is very simple and easy question where you can understand. Now calculate the total of liabilities amount, assets amount. Okay, and you will find the total of 41,400, which is equal and equal. Therefore, balance sheet balanced and the answer is right. I hope you all understood it. Please practice this question and you practice your textbook questions as well. The more you reflect, the more you learn. Therefore, final accounts with adjustments will be uploaded in upcoming videos. Please stay tuned. And for more knowledgeable lectures, if you are liking our videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, Jayanti's Academy of Commerce and Management. And please do follow in our Insta page, Jayanti Commerce. And wish you all the best for your future. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.